Ladies and gents, I hope you're well. Yes, so in the spirit of Christmas, I've decided to draw some snowflakes using Python. So I'm going to use a library called Random, which performs random tasks, with numbers and stuff. And then I'm going to use a Turtle graphics library. Okay, so that's a library that does all the graphics in Python as well. Okay, cool. So on a side note, guys, really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, please do subscribe. Okay, great. So like I said, in the spirit of Christmas, we'll do some snowflakes. Okay, and what I'm going to do is obviously the code is done anyway, so I'm just going to run the code and then show you what goes on. So the shape of my pencil will be a square, and then the speed will be 8. And then these are the colors of the branches of the flakes. And then the background color of the board will be white. And then obviously three functions that I've defined that would obviously perform the tasks at hand. It will run for, it will create, sorry, 12 flakes. Okay, right. So, cool. So let's get started. So there we are. Expand that. So drawing the flakes, random flakes at different sizes. So that's the square on my pencil that's drawing it. And then it creates a little hexagon in the middle. Yeah, so I thought in the spirit of Christmas, why not just draw some flakes? And also at the same time to thank our subscribers for subscribing this year, and also wishing you a lovely Christmas with your families, and also a prosperous 2023. So let's crack on, we're cracking on. So the colors as well, like I said, obviously random colors. You got coral, green, red, black, turquoise, orange there. And this is the white background I was on about. So the board is white. You can put any color as well. You can make it. You can make the board red, green. It's entirely up to you. Okay. Yeah. So the random snowflakes. So yeah, happy Christmas, guys. Right. Yeah. So we're done. Fantastic, guys. So here's the code. Right. Thanks, for guys, for watching, and have a lovely Christmas. Bye bye.